duit YouTube. Tá tú. Tá mé go Níl mé an bháil ach níl mé go dona. I don't know. I had a really good night last night. I went out for the Christmas party with work and yeah, didn't get home till about 3 o'clock. It was good fun though, thoroughly enjoyed it. Just finished in the cinema. I'm in getting Christmas presents and all that jazz, and I wanted to finalise the plans for my Christmas party as well. So got everything pretty much sorted. Where was I? Oh yeah. I went to the cinema and I went to see Rise of the Guardians. And it's actually a really good movie. I didn't want anything to be terribly intellectual. I just wanted something I could watch and enjoy and not have to worry about it. But no, it was really good. I actually really enjoyed it. So what's the last film you went to go and see? You can answer me on Facebook or in the comments below or on Twitter or anything like that. But apart from that, the last film I went to see was I'll get back to you. I'll put it in a caption or something. So yeah, it's Christmas and it's all lights and niceness and shopping. I'm actually going to have to come into town again tomorrow to try and get Christmas presents. I want to get my sister something that she needs, but I need to know what specific thing it is because this is something she has several of and it's a very specific piece of thing that she needs. So I have to make sure I get the right one. Then I need to get Christmas present for my mom. I'm going to try and get something for my dad. And then I need to talk with my sister about how we're getting my mom a pretty big present this year, and because it's something we actually really need. We need a new dishwasher, so we're going to get her one of those for Christmas. And Kate and I just need to figure out how we're going to get it, where we're going to get it, which one we're going to get, and how much it's going to cost. But anyway, all the fine details. She's off in her boyfriend's tonight, so I don't know if I'll get to see her tomorrow even. But what can you do? Anyway, I just thought I'd make this little vlog. I tried to vlog on Wednesday after work, and I got a brief thing recorded before I got on the train to go to Cabark. Long story short, I blew my nose and it had a very bad reaction. I ended up having a nosebleed. I was just, what do you think of those? You probably can't really see them. I need to get Christmas clothes and I don't know what to get. What can you do? But yeah, no, so that kind of put a stop to vlogging. Plus when I was trying to keep up with everything for YCL and catch up on all the work that I missed and get home and cycle, because I was cycling on Wednesday. It was too much, so I couldn't finish the vlog. I'll try and put it in at the end, or I'll edit it in too before I started this conversation. It's nothing terribly interesting though. I wanted to get, on another note about the cinema, because I have a Cineworld membership, an unlimited membership. Once a month they hold a screening, or whenever a new movie comes out. And The Life of Pi is coming out soon, and I'm reading the book for it at the moment. But I can't watch the trailers for it because I don't want to spoil the movie. But I don't want to spoil the book. So, but I missed the unlimited screening for that. But this new vigilante type film hero thingy film is coming out. It's called Jack Reacher, and it's out next week. So I got a ticket for that. Basically the unlimited card means I can go and see as many films as I like, and it only costs me €20 a month, so it's actually a really good deal when I use it. But anyway, I think I'm just rambling on. I have to record a vlog now to inform all the people who are coming to the 12 pubs of Christmas with me of the plan, where we're going, what pubs we're hitting, what time we're meeting. and then I have to, I'll edit this vlog and I'll get that uploaded, and